Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up profile on Upwork. Alright, let's begin. First of all, focus on completing your profile thoroughly. Fill out all required sections, including your profile overview, photo, employment history, and skills. A more complete profile increases your chances of winning jobs, so be sure to incorporate relevant keywords throughout your profile to improve searchability. Your profile overview is crucial. Write a compelling summary that highlights your skills, experience, and unique value. Use a friendly yet professional tone, avoiding jargon that might confuse potential clients. Additionally, mention any relevant certifications, awards, or notable projects to bolster your credibility. A professional profile picture is essential as well. Choose a clear, well-lit headshot of yourself dressed in business attire. Avoid using logos, cartoons, or other non-photo images, as these can detract from the professionalism of your profile. Showcasing your work through portfolio items is another important step. Include links, images, or documents that highlight your best work samples. Provide context for each item by explaining the client's needs, your role in the project, and the results achieved. Additionally, enable the Available Now badge using Connects to signal that you are actively seeking work. This badge is only visible to clients and can make a significant difference in attracting job offers. So that's basically how you can set up profile on Upwork. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.